guess what I took out here? It's got a motor in it. It's not gas, it's electric. I'll take you down. I just found this place today, and just let you guys know I'm recording on a wing, LG wing. That's interesting. But probably I'm gonna get something different. But you see this terrain? It's crazy. So you guys can definitely ride these bird scooters out here. Anything with that matter with the regular rear hub drive motor. You would think you need a dual, but you don't. I mean, my weight, I guess you have to say, but I mean, throughout this whole place, it's mostly sand and right over this little section. Let me see how Torquay is. And this is with one hand. Yeah, that was with one hand. Maybe just some more. Let's check this out. This place is sweet, huh? I'll put a little, I'll try to record on the way coming back to these trails, but I'm doing it with one hand. I didn't think about it. I just came out here and I'm like, man, this place is really sweet, and the bird made it. Bird was like $500 around Christmas. Probably goes for like $649 or something, I think. Don't get me on that, but first little review and our first nice view, huh? Those who's watching this channel, that is the Intercoastal. This is Englewood. This is Stomp Pass over there. Alright, well, we're gonna try to get in there. Alright, we are back on the trail. We are on the bird scooter, and we're blinking because we want to be safe. We are, so bear with me. I'll try to do this without dying. Oh, I can get that. Oh, hello, little birdie. Oh, I got music playing in my headphones. It's like an Irish Celtic song. Oh, mangroves growing, man. going 5 miles an hour. Because I'm one-handing it. What's up, guys? So that video was like, I don't know, but I'll do another one. Obviously the bird scooter can get you into the places you need to go, and as much as soft sand, I wouldn't recommend it, but as far as anything else, I mean, it's still fine. I rode it yesterday. Must have been, I don't know, 12 miles or something. I went to a birthday party on it. It was pretty far. And then there was a certain circumstances where I didn't have a ride, and my girl was sick, so it made me, I got there and I had 2 bars left, and the kids started using it, so that was cool. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, and I'll bring out some more videos of some other stuff that we do. I got a little shop here, so build a lot of different stuff. Thanks for watching Thunder Thor Racing.